প্রত্যেকে একে অপরের সঙ্গে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলছে। তো তারপরেও আমরা কিছু ছাত্রকে জিজ্ঞেস করে নেই, দেখি তারা কি করছে। হ্যালো, হোয়াটস ইউর নেম?
My name is Adrija Roy.
Okay, which class do you study in?
I study in class 4.
You study in class 4. Okay, how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
You are 10 years old.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Arpan Talukdar.
Your name is Arpan Talukdar. Okay, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Shujit Talukdar.
Okay, what does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Okay, your father is a businessman. Okay, and what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Your favorite subject is math. Okay, what do you do in your free time?
I like playing and sometimes I like watching TV in my free time.
Okay, you like playing and sometimes you like watching TV in your free time. Okay, thank you, thank you. Now I would like to ask you. Okay, what are you doing here?
We are talking each other in English.
Okay, you are talking each other in English. Okay, that means you are practicing English.
Yes.
Okay, you are practicing English. Okay, okay. What do you do in your free time?
I like to play in my free. I like to play and watching cartoons in my free time.
Okay, you like playing and watching cartoon in your free time. Okay, okay. When do you go? When do you come to school?
I come to school at 10 a.m.
You come to school at 10 a.m. Okay, and when do you go back from school?
I go back from school at 3:20 a.m.
A.m. or P.m.?
p.m.
Okay, you go back from school at 3:20
p.m.
p.m. Okay, and when does your school start?
My school starts at 11 a.m.
At 11 a.m. Okay, and when does your school finish?
My school finishes at 3:20 p.m.
Okay, and what are you doing here?
We are having a conversation
You are having a conversation. Okay, are you having a conversation in English or in Bengali?
in English.
Or you are having a conversation in English? Okay, okay. Why do we need to learn English?
We need to learn English because when we will go any other country, we need to speak in English. They don't know our language. Our mother tongue is Bengali, but their mother tongue is English. So we need to learn English.
Okay, that means you are telling that if you want to go abroad, if you want to go other countries, we need to learn English because they don't understand our language. And if we learn English, if we can speak English, then they can understand everything. That's why we need to learn English. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Well done. Okay, cameraman. What's your name?
My name is Polumi Roy.
Okay, what are you doing here?
We are practicing English.
You are practicing English. Okay, why are you practicing English?
We are practicing English to learn.
You are practicing English to learn. That means you want to speak in English?
Yes.
Okay, why do we need to speak in English?
We need to speak in English because if we want to go anywhere like USA, America, but there people don't know Bengali.
Yes.
There people knows English very fluently.
Yes.
So we have to learn English. We have to practice English every day, and we have to learn English.
Okay, that means you are telling that if you go abroad, if you go to the USA, if you go to other countries, they don't understand our language, and if we learn English, they can understand English, and we can talk to them very easily. Okay, that's why you are learning
English.
Okay, do you practice English every day at home?
Yes, I practice English every day at home.
Okay, how do you practice? Can you tell me?
Where there is quite silent place, there I practice fluently and I talk everywhere. If someone came there, then I keep silent and go from there.
Okay, now you always go to a quiet place and you try to practice there, and you always try to talk to yourself so that you can learn English. And sometimes maybe you keep a mirror in front of you, yes, and you practice on yourself. Okay, thank you so much, thank you so much.
My name is Jiarai.
Dear Roy, oh, dear Roy. Okay, how old are you, Shona?
I am 8 years old.
You are 8 years old. Okay, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Your favorite subject is English, and what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Your favorite subject is math. Okay, which class do you study in?
I study in class 1.
You study in class 1. Okay, do you come to school daily?
Yes, I come to school daily.
Okay, you come to school daily. Okay, why do you come to school?
I come to learn.
Okay, you come to school to learn. Okay, thank you, thank you. Now we can see that all are having a conversation. They are trying to practice English. They are speaking to each other so that they can learn English. So now I am going to ask some students and what they are doing And yes, please. Okay, what you are doing?
I am teaching them.
Oh, you are teaching them. You are a teacher here. Okay, you are a teacher here. You are teaching them. Okay, what are you teaching them?
I am teaching them English. If they say something wrong, I have to correct it.
Okay, if they say something wrong, you have to correct it.
Correct it.
That means you have to teach them how to speak
English.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Which class do you study in?
I study in class UKG.
You study in class UKG. Okay, how old are you, Shona?
I am 6 years old.
You are 6 years old. Okay. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Your favorite subject is English. Okay. What are you doing here?
We are practicing English.
Okay, you are practicing English. You are talking in English. Okay. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Tanvi Talukdar.
Tanvi Talukdar. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Tapos Talukdar.
Tapon Talukdar. Okay, what does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Your father is a businessman. Okay. Do you come to school daily?
Yes, I come to school daily.
Okay, you come to school daily. Why do you come to school?
I come to school to learn.
Oh, you come to school to learn. You come to school to learn, to write, to read, to dance, to enjoy with your teachers. Okay, are you enjoying? Yes, thank you. Now we can see that all the students are practicing. They are talking to each other in English and they are trying to learn English. As we know that if we want to speak in English, at first we need to practice every day. If we don't practice, we can't learn English because practice is the key to success. Practice is key to success to learn English. So if we want to learn English, if we want to speak English, we need to practice every day. And that's why all the students are practicing here so that they can speak English very well. And they want to be fluent. And that's why they are speaking every day. And we do this speaking practice on every Saturday. And Saturday is only for speaking practice. Okay, once again, I would like to ask you. Okay, after practicing, how do you feel?
After practicing, I feel very good because we are speaking in English and we are enjoying a lot to speak in English to each other.
Okay, thank you. How do you feel? Because you are practicing English, how do you feel now?
I'm feeling very good because we are telling funny tales and we are practicing with funny words.
Okay, so you're enjoying a lot here. Okay, thank you.